That's exactly what I was wondering.
Well, you can.
And today, we'll show you how.
We are almost at 40 subscribers. If you want to help me get there, make sure to subscribe. That would be amazing. And if you comment, I'll give a shout out to you. The next step is to wash it very good. And then you gotta peel off this little leafy part. Wow.
To turn the kale into chips, preheat your oven to 300 degrees.
Okay, I'm turning it now. Stand back. Okay. Drizzle avocado oil onto it. You gotta shake some of this stuff. Garlic sea salt. You can make it any kind of salt you want. I'm just using garlic sea salt. Use your hands to make the leaves cover.
Why should I eat kale?
It's a superfood. That's why, silly. Superhero. It has vitamin A, vitamin K, B6, calcium, and magnesium, potassium, and vitamin C.
Now that your kale is seasoned, lay it out onto a baking sheet so that it can bake evenly.
Bake them for 30 minutes.
Kale chips are ready. I'll be right back. Wait for me. Hey, get back here with the kale chips.
Bye. Now for the challenge. I am going to eat all this kale in 1 minute. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Any advice for people watching at home?
Try kale chips. They're really healthy.
Do they taste good?
It tastes amazing. I don't even think this is filled with vitamins. But actually it is filled with like vitamin C, potassium, all sorts of stuff.
Stay tuned for more delicious recipes from Veg Kid Kitchen.